City departures, Qantas 575 Heavy, we climb, correction 5,000, passing 2,000.
Qantas 575 Heavy departures, good day, identified. Qantas 575, climb via City flight level 280.
Flight City flight level 280, Qantas 575.
Qantas 575, contact departures 118, decimal 4, good day.
184, Qantas 575. City departures, Qantas 575 Heavy, climb flight level 280.
Qantas 575 and killing 40 Delta, return contact Melbourne Centre 133, decimal 5.
1335, Qantas 575.
Centre Qantas 575, we have an issue with one of our hydraulic systems. Could we level, request flight level 230 initially to level out?
Qantas 575, Melbourne Centre, maintain level 230.
230, Qantas 575.
Qantas 575, turn left heading 200.
Left heading 200 for Qantas 575.
Qantas 575, contact center 129 decimal 8, continue the heading.
1298, Qantas 575. City approach, good day, Qantas 575 Heavy, on descent, flight 150, receive Charlie.
Qantas 575 Heavy, Sydney, runway 34 left.
Qantas 575. Okay, Qantas 575, approaching flight 150.
Stand by, just waiting for traffic to clear. Qantas 575, descent flight level 120.
Flight 120 for Qantas 575.
Qantas 575, descent 9000 on 1010.
9000 on 1010, Qantas 575.
Qantas 575, descent via start to 6000.
6000, Qantas 575.
Qantas 575, expedite passing 8000 if you can please.
We'll do our best to expedite through 8000, Qantas 575. And Qantas 535, can we have the Tammy height requirement wave, please?
575, open.
Qantas 575, contact director 1261, bye now. 1261, thanks for your help, Qantas 575. City director, Qantas 575, heavy on descent 6000.
Qantas 575 Heavy director, good day, descend to 4,000, 26 miles.
4000, Qantas 575.
Qantas 575, turn left heading 070, descend 3,000.
Left 070, 3000, Qantas 575.
Qantas 575, turn left heading 360, and descend localizer cleared ILS, runway 34 left.
Left 360, set the localizer 34 left, cleared ILS approach, Qantas 575.
Qantas 575, you be normal speeds on final or planning a little slower?
We're just flying up a little bit now,
300.
Qantas 575.
Approaching minimums.
Qantas 575, contact tower.
200. Minimums.
05, Qantas 575. Sydney Tower, Qantas 575 heavy.
Qantas 575 Heavy, Sydney Tower. Good morning, wind 290 degrees 4 knots.
30.
Continue.
20. 10. 5.
November 4, runway 21.